Hello guys, welcome back to our tutorial, and this round I will go through a work example on simple interest, but we need to find some other values. Okay, so previous examples I've shown you how to find the interest, how to find the principal, and this time round we will find the rate. Okay, so we're looking at 1K, and the information given are interest is 360. Okay, so this is $360, followed by the principal of 6,000, and the time is for 4 years, 4 hours. Okay, so your job is to find the rate. What is the interest rate? All right, so as per previous examples, I said because we do have all this information, the P, T, and I, we just plug in the numbers inside the formula and find your missing value. Okay, so 360 is equals to 6,000 followed by R and 4 here. Then the whole thing divided by 100. Okay, I'm the type that will try to simplify as much as I can as long as it is easy. So this time around, I'll cancel these two zeros, and therefore I'll straight away get 360 is equals to 6 times 4 is 24, right? So 240 R. And from here, I can easily get my value of R, which is 36 divided by 24, which is equals to 1.5. So 1.5, 1.5%. As easy as that. Why do I say 36 divided by 24? Because I can cancel off these two zeros as well, if you can see that. If not, you can just take 360 divided by 240, and you will still get 1.5%. Okay? So rate is 1.5%. You found the answer, and for you to find the total amount is just 6,000 plus your $360. So you get $6,360. Okay, easy peasy, guys. All right. And next example, I will find something that is less straightforward, and then we try to do it together. Okay. See you soon.